Version 27 of Erlang OTP is out, bringing native support for JSON encoding and decoding to the standard library. As an Elixir dev, I'll focus on the Elixir side of things, but know that it's available in all OTP languages. The history of JSON in Elixir is messy, requiring packages like Poison or eventually JSON to be installed. If you have a Phoenix app, it's likely that it contains a config entry like this. But OTP 27 brings JSON to the beam, so let's take a look at it through some basic tests. The main methods are encode and decode, and in case you didn't know, built-in Erlang modules can be addressed with an atom, like this, :JSON. For encoding, it's pretty simple. Running code on a term like a map, whether it's atom keyed or string keyed, and it'll be serialized to JSON. For efficiency, the result is an IO data instance. If you're expecting the string as a binary, you can encode it with the IO data to binary utility method. And if you're sending the JSON over the wire as an API response, IO data is perfect just the way it is. Now decoding can be a little more complicated. There's two variations of the decode function. We'll start with arity 1. This method returns the decoded term, and if it's an object, it'll become a map with string keys. This makes sense, with the Beam runtime having a limit on the number of atoms in a running system, so as to not blow up our memory or performance. Now the arity 3 function exposes more underlying details and operates like a fold. You can specify certain decoders, but I'm just going to focus on object push, the one that's called when an object is ready to be accumulated. The result is a tuple with the decoded object, the accumulated state, and any characters that were left over after processing. From what I can tell, this isn't yet a drop-in replacement that you can dump into a Phoenix project, but I'm sure it's coming soon. So that's a quick look at the new JSON module in OTP 27. If you want to play around with it, this code is available on GitHub with a link in the description. This has been Code and Stuff. Thanks for watching.